Finally, the other test that I'd like to show that you can do in SPSS, note that I'm skipping a couple of assumptions here, is the test of normality. The test of normality of the residuals, that should be relatively easy to do. Here we have the residual from our regression, so we have it in the data, and we can easily test it, test whether or not this is normally distributed. And Field is suggesting that you should do this by looking at plots. There is an easier way, and or not easier, but a more elaborate one, where you actually get the test for normality, and that is under Descriptive Statistics Explorer. So I'm looking here for my residual, and it's under plots over there, normality plots with tests. Now it's checked here already because I did it once before, but normally it's not checked and you'll have to check it yourself. Continue, paste. This is what it looks like. You get a lot of stuff, not all of it you need. There you go. And here you get your test of normality. There are two actually. Luckily, in this case, they give the same conclusion, a significance larger than 0.05. So we are not refuting normality. And here, again, a significance of larger than 0.05, so same thing. We're not rejecting normality, so it looks like our residuals are normal enough, so to speak, and this assumption is actually okay. Note that the list of assumptions itself is longer. For instance, you could think about whether or not there are clustered variables here, whether or not the errors are independent. Perhaps there is even serial correlation here, because you have time series data, so it might very well be that there is serial correlation in the data. There are a couple of other things that you would need to check, but these are the most important ones that I wanted to show.